Pieter Bruegel was a Dutch painter who lived 500 years ago. He was born in the Netherlands in 1525 during the height of the European Renaissance. The European Renaissance was a time of rich cultural and artistic development throughout Europe. Pieter Bruegel was known for his ability to realistically portray scenes from everyday life. His paintings have a strong narrative quality and often tell a story or express a particular perspective. The Tower of Babel is one of Bruegel's most famous paintings. It depicts the biblical story of the Tower of Babel. I love the detail in which Bruegel depicts this story. As I look at his painting, I feel as though I'm stepping into a different world. Bruegel was a prolific painter and created many other works of art during his lifetime. Today, he is remembered as one of the most important artists of the European Renaissance.
Thanks for watching. It would be a huge support to me if you would subscribe.
Be sure to check out the other amazing art lessons and art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.